Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hey, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, I'll say you some of exercise. Be ready student? Sit. Sit properly. All of you sit properly. Laugh. Ha 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 ha. Laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
Laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
Stop. Laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
Stop. Laugh.
Ha 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 ha.
Stop. Cry.
Cry.
Cry. Cry. Stop. Cry. Stop. Cry. Stop. Okay. All of you sit straight properly. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Why I'm saying daily like this? See, clap your hands. Sit straight. Why? See children, if you clap your hands like this, your body get energy. It's get energy if you clap like this. Understood? That's why daily I am saying clap your hands. Okay? Don't feel daily ma'am will say clap your hands. Do some exercise like that. She is saying don't feel like that. Because that will improve your concentration. Understood? Okay? Then it's coming to the point. Topic. Which previous class, which topic you learned? See, cuboid. Yes. Today I will say about cuboid is 3D figures. Yes, 3D figures are cuboid. Already you learned 2D figures also. Yes. What are the difference between 2D and 3D? That one I will say today. Okay. See children, this is cube. This is square. This is 2D figure. This is 3D figure. Yes. 2-dimensional figure, 3-dimensional figure. Yes. Did you understood what I am saying? 2-dimensional figure. This is 3-dimensional figure. Now, see this two. This is 2-dimensional figure. This is 3-dimensional figure. This is rectangle. This is cuboid. Yes. This is rectangle. This is cuboid. See children, difference between 2D and 3D shapes. It has two measurements, length and breadth, 2D shape. 3D shapes, it have three measurements, length, breadth and height. See, it has two measurements, length and breadth in 2D shapes. In 3D shapes, it have three measurements, length, breadth and height. See children, this is rectangle. This shape is rectangle. Vertices. How many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many sides are edges? Sides. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides are edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are edges. Faces. How many faces it has? See, 1 front face and back face. How many? 2 faces. 1, 2. How many faces? 2 faces. That one you should write here. Now, cube. In the cube, how many vertices? See, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. How many sides and edges it has? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? How many sides and edges? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12 sides and 12 edges. Understood, children? Now, face. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 faces. How many? 6. See, what are they? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? 6 faces. How many? 6 faces. Now, this is triangle. Triangle. How many vertices it has? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. How many sides it has? See, 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 vertices. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 edges. How many faces? 1, 2. 2 faces. Understood, children? What I am saying? Difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Understood now, children? What I said? See, children, for example, you know this. What is this? Dice. As die is a cube. Cube shape. Yes or no? See, this is object dice. Geometrical figure is cube. Geometrical features. What are the features it has? See once. See, this one will call vertex. This one face. This one edge. As it has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the edges of a cube are equal in length. Understood, children? It has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All the edges of cube are equal in length. Next, what is this? This is box. As this is cuboid. Object is box. Geometrical figure is cuboid. See, edges, face, vertex. Vertex. See, geometrical features. It has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. It has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. The opposite faces of a cuboid are of the same size. Opposite faces of a cuboid are of the same size. The opposite edges of a cuboid are equal in length. Understood, children? What I said? This is cube, this is cuboid. Now, next. Object. What is this object? Candle. You know the candle? Geometrical. See, this is candle. Geometrical figure is cylinder. Okay, edge, flat face, curved face. It has 2 circular flat faces and 1 curved face. It has 2 circular edges but no corners. The 2 flat faces are of the same size. Understood, children? It has 2 circular flat faces and 1 curved face. Okay. It has 2 circular edges but no corners. 2 flat faces are of the same size. See, this is ball, sphere, curved face. Yes, it has a curved face. It has no edges and no corners. Any corners and edges is there? No. It has no edges and no corners. C. Tent. Cone. Corner, curved face, flat face, edge. It has a one flat circular face, curved face and one corner. It has a circular edge. It has a one flat circular face, one curved face, one corner. It has a circular edge. See, one corner. S. One face. One corner is there, circular face is there. S. Children, open your workbook, page number 5. Practice questions. S. State the diagonals, sides and vertices of the given figure. You should do in the homework this. First question. Next, turn page number 6 open now. Second one. Draw an open figure. You should draw the open figure. Third one. Name the vertices, diagonals of the given figure. You should name the vertices and diagonal of the given figure. Next, fifth one. Name 3 two-dimensional shapes. You should write name 3 two-dimensional shapes. Okay. Next, can we draw a diagonals AC in triangle ABC? This question answers you should do in the homework book. Understood, children? We completed our chapter. First chapter completed. You should practice these questions in homework book. Understood, children? First to fifth, that is homework for you. You people should practice that. Understood? Do the answers. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day. Bye.